is we're going to add an image to your web editor. So on your website, you want to add images or take them away. We're going to show you how to do that. So from your dashboard, we're going to go to, again, the tile for websites. Click on that. Go choose the website you want to use. And I'm going to go to the home page in this particular one. And I've just made it simple. I've just made a simple little section here that we're going to use. So I have text on the left, and I would love to have an image here on the right. So I'm going to hit this little purple box, purple element icon here, and we're going to go over here to the right side, sorry, and we're going to go add image or video. Click on add, and now we'll have the image in here. So my situation is right now that I have this image here, and I want to add an image. So it's giving me a placement holder. So there's two ways we can do this. We can go and hit the style button and choose from existing images that we have in our thing. So if we want to go select this specific image and add it there, we can do that and hit save. And now we have that image there. And for example, maybe we want that to be a little smaller. We can go down to the width here and make it a little smaller to kind of have it match up with the other thing here. However, I might have another image that I have and I want to add it to here, and it's bigger or smaller, or I just took the picture with my phone. Now the issue of taking a picture with your phone is the image is taken in such high quality that the image would be a very large file size. So when it goes to load on your page, it will be very, very large, and it'll slow down the load of the page. So what we want to do here is, let's say we want to crop a very specific image to match the size of the text we have here. So on a Macintosh, you can go to Command Shift 4, and you'll notice your cursor changes to like a little thing here. And you can go roughly to this size here, go over to your box, drag down to be the exact size, okay, give or take, and let go. It's going to take a screenshot of how big that image is. So now you can take that into your photo editor. I use Photoshop. Some of you might use a different thing. So now you have your image here, and you can take the existing image you have. So if that's an image, let's see, if I go and I grab this right here, this image, okay, and let's see, copy it, okay, and go back to Photoshop and paste it. So now I pasted it on here, and I want to crop that image, okay. So in Photoshop, it's free in term form, and I want to make that kind of match in here. Again, I'm giving an example here. Now you have that image to be the exact same size. So again, this image is still got a lot of pixels in it. So we have to reduce the size of it. But first we have to save it. So we're going to export it out of here. And I'm going to save it here for web. And I'm going to go boat pick. Okay, so right now currently it's a JPEG. So what you can do is I use a program called CloudConvert. They have a free account, and also you can sign up for an account. I use it quite a bit, so I got the paid version. But then you can just go here and want to convert it from a JPEG to a WebP, which is a very, very fast loading thing. So I'm going to add my file, select boat pick, and I'm going to have it convert from JPEG to WEBP. Click convert and download. Okay, so now I have my web boat pick.webpp. Okay, now I come back to my page and get my tools out of the way. I find that picture, boat pick WebPP, and I can just drag it right in here. And now it's going to be right in there in the page to be the exact size of what we just wanted to think. So hit refresh. Okay. The reason it's not there is because we did that width size there before. So we're going to put that width back to 100%. Hit preview. So now we have an image that's more or less the same size as the text. But let's say it's a little higher at the top. So we're going to go put a little margin at the top here and just kind of lower it down. Hit save. And that's how you can add an image. So Again, you can either drag another image in there, simply like that, or you can add a new image by adding an image and then bring it in the other way. That's how you add and crop images.